A top focus, of course, the Modi cabinet will be sworn in for the third time this evening in a historic mandate. All eyes are on who will get what when it comes to portfolios. In an exclusive scoop on the inside details of deliberations, NDTV has sources full information that only 30 ministers, in fact, are going to be expected to be sworn in today, which will be a mix of BJP as well as ally leaders. Sources say that Amit Shah, Arjun Ram Meghwal, JDS leader H.D. Kumaraswamy, JDU's Ramnath Thakur and LJP's Chirag Paswan have a place in the cabinet. Sources also saying Nitin Gadkari, Rajnath Singh and Prahlad Joshi also set to be a part of the Modi 3.0 cabinet. We're also learning that former Guntur MP Jay Galla had confirmed 2 TDP MP posts in the Modi cabinet. He congratulated the current Guntur MP Pemaseni Chandrasekhar as a Minister of State and also congratulated Ram Mohan Naidu for his role as a cabinet minister. Now, more names that we've gotten in are in fact Shiv Sena's Pratap Rao Jadhav, Jayant Chaudhary from the RLD, Ramdas Athavale, Bhupendra Yadav, Nityanand Rai, C.R. Patil, Jai Shankar, of course, Shivraj Chauhan, Jyotiraditya Scindia, Savitri Thakur and Dharmendra Pradhan are some of the leaders that we're expecting to be part of the cabinet. We're also learning that Dharmendra Pradhan is likely to be taking oath today as well. Listen in to these reactions coming in.
अभी वैसे कोई डिमांड नहीं हमारे रिलेशन इतना अच्छा मजबूत है अभी कि आपस में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है। आपस में इतनी अच्छी तरह से डिस्कशन होने के बाद ही हम निर्णय लेके आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, उसी तरह से चलेगा। बहुत खुश है क्योंकि ये बहुत दिन बाद हमें टीडीपी में केंद्र मंत्री फिर से बनने का एक मौका मिला है और उसके आगे केंद्र जिस तरह से सपोर्ट करना चाहती है आंध्र प्रदेश को, उसमें भी कोई बिना कोई रुकावट के साथ पूरी तरह से उनका मदद हमें मिल रहा है, तो बहुत खुश हैं।
मैं अपने को भाग्यशाली मानता हूं कि भारत के प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने और बिहार सरकार के मुख्यमंत्री श्री नीतीश कुमार जी ने मेरे जैसे छोटे आदमी पर भरोसा जताया। मैं उस भरोसे पर पानी फेरने का काम नहीं करूंगा और उनके कामों को आगे बढ़ाने का काम करूंगा, उनके हाथों को मजबूत करने का काम करूंगा। अब तो ओथ होने दीजिए और जो समस्याएं हैं उसको दूर भगाने का काम करेंगे हम लोग।
रामदास अठावले मोदी सरकार के पहले कार्यकाल में भी मंत्री रहे, दूसरे कार्यकाल में भी मंत्री रहे और इस बार भी शामिल होंगे। मेरे साथ खुद रामदास अठावले मौजूद हैं। किसने आपको जानकारी दी, कहां से ये सूचना आई थी आपको प्रधानमंत्री के साथ मुलाकात के लिए बुलाया?
हाँ, मुझे सुबह 8:45 बजे माननीय जेपी नड्डा जी का फोन आया और उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि आपका नाम मंत्री परिषद में है और मंत्रिमंडल में है और आपको 11:30 बजे वहाँ माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने उनके आवास पर बुलाया है। तो मुझे तीसरी बार मौका मिला, इसका बहुत बड़ा आनंद है, मेरे समाज को बहुत बड़ा आनंद है और लगातार मेरे पार्टी का एक भी लोकसभा में मेंबर ना होने के बावजूद भी मुझे मंत्री पद का मौका दे दिया गया है, बहुत बड़ी बात है। और मैं लोगों की सेवा करता रहा हूँ और इसीलिए नरेंद्र मोदी को मालूम है कि मैं ईमानदार आदमी हूँ, मैं कोई ऐसा डाउपीज करने वाला आदमी नहीं हूँ, मैं सीधा साधा आदमी हूँ और इसीलिए मेरा फ़ायदा उनके पार्टी के लिए, उनके सरकार के लिए है और महाराष्ट्र में आने वाला जो विधानसभा का चुनाव है उसके लिए भी मेरे मंत्री पद का फायदा होगा, इसीलिए मुझे मंत्री पद की संधि मिली है।
My colleagues Vedant and Aishwarya join us. Vedant from outside the Prime Minister's residence and Aishwarya from Vijayawada. Let me get in Vedant first. Vedant, we're learning that Amit Shah, JP Nadda as well as Jai Shankar and some other top leaders have already arrived at the Prime Minister's residence for tea.
That's right, I'm right outside 7 LKM, the Prime Minister's residence, and tea and breakfast has begun for all the allies and the top leaders of the BJP who will be sworn in as ministers. In the last 5 minutes, interesting leaders have arrived here. Jitendra Singh, of course, who has scored a hat-trick from Jammu and Kashmir. He has, of course, had a key role to play. He is a Science and Technology Minister, somebody who is also credited with the great feats of the ISRO. So he is also going to be sworn in today. Interesting there. And at the same time, Jitan Ram Manjhi, who is of course among the key allies from Bihar, his HAM. So he is also going to be sworn in today because he arrived at the Prime Minister's residence just a short while back. Apart from that, Nirmala Sitharaman has arrived as well. All the key leaders who have been crucial to the governance of the BJP, including Nirmala Sitharaman, Piyush Goyal, Ashwini Vaishnaw, Bhupendra Yadav, Dharmendra Pradhan. Now these are leaders who have really been the pillars of Modi 2.0 particularly particularly, and his governance plank. So all of them have arrived at the Prime Minister's residence. Among the allies, you have key leaders including H.D. Kumaraswamy, Jitan Ram Manjhi, as I mentioned, 2 leaders from the Shinde Sena as well. Interesting also that there's nobody from the NCP that has arrived so far. So that's going to be crucial to watch out for as well. But 2 Shinde Sena leaders have arrived at the Prime Minister's residence. So tea has begun. Chirag Paswan is also here. He, of course, brings 5 seats to the coalition, a key Bihar ally. He is also likely to be sworn in today. So all of them have started arriving. The 2 important messages, Aarti, that have come out from 7LKM this morning. One, of course, is that the BJP certainly has negotiated from a position of strength, a position of power. That 240 number is crucial because remember, the overall picture seems to be that there's 1 ministerial berth and 1 that have been given to the key allies including TDP and JDU, and largely it's MOS positions which have been given to the other allies, including parties like HAM, even Chirag Paswan's party, H.D. Kumaraswamy. So the BJP negotiating from position of strength, that is clear. Secondly, as far as the incumbent cabinet is concerned, there could be changes. We've been told is that near about 40 calls have been made this morning by BJP President JP Nadda and the Prime Minister's office. So there could be some changes, but those incumbents that have been key to governance, they will not be changed. So the BJP leadership and Prime Minister Modi banking on experience and continuity and stability, which is why leaders like Nirmala Sitharaman, S. Jaishankar, Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, of course, but also other leaders like Jitendra Singh, Piyush Goyal, they will all find a place in the cabinet.